The one thing you need to rebuild your credit. What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video. And today we're talking about the one thing you need to build your credit. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's talk about the one thing you need to rebuild your credit, okay? That's one. Remember that song by Puff Daddy, One? But seriously, man, this might be a no-brainer the most, but things you don't need to fix your credit is extensive credit knowledge, and you don't need some special software or anything like that, okay? You definitely need to know a few steps and a few things to do, but it's nothing crazy, okay? But in the words of Kevin Leary from Shark Tank, you need money, okay? And the sad thing is most people don't have enough of it in the first place. This is why you're in the credit situation you're in now, most likely. So, what exactly should you do? You should start yourself a side business or a side hustle to start paying down your debt and build your credit. That's it, okay? That's all I got for you, okay? That's it. Nah, seriously. But I prefer side business because a business can actually help you build financial freedom and not just another job, okay? Because you start to get used to that other job and it becomes a part of your lifestyle. And the next thing you know, you're just working two jobs to work two jobs instead of having a goal with that second job. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I prefer a business instead of another job. Now, what if I told you that you could kill two birds with one stone? One. Now, you can learn how to fix your credit from real credit specialists while building a side business all in the same system. What if you could do that? Would you be interested in that? I'm pretty sure you're interested in it. That's why you're watching this video. You're ready to do something like that. Excuse me. I'm trying to get over cold, but you're ready to do something like that, right? I know you are, okay? But I know you're saying to yourself, it can't be this easy. But it is, okay? You have to focus on earning more and taking that extra money you earn and putting those dollars to work. And fixing your credit, increasing your cash flow should be your number one priority, okay? And this is what having a side business can do for you and more, okay? So there you have it, man. Thanks for watching. It's your boy DeVaughn signing off for the one thing you need to rebuild your credit. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.